It's time for another unboxing. Let's do this. Do any of you know what this is? It's a mod mic from Antlion, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna test it, see how it works. This goes on any headphones, guys. Any headset, you'll see how it's attached. So let's see what is in here, guys. Mod mic USB version 2.0. Nice classic Antlion case, as you can see, with a zipper. And once we open it up, we get the microphone. There is a wireless version as well, where you don't have to have a cable. So what we have here are little magnet stands. They have stickers on them. You take off, and they have a sticky surface. This is a USB to USB-C adapter, as you can see here. Boom, USB-C, and we could hook that up here, let's say, and hook it up directly to our phone if we like, which is actually recording right now. So what I'm going to do is take a sticker, one of the bases. There should be two in here. Come on. I'm going to peel off the sticky surface cover for protection. And I'm going to put it on my headset, like so. Put it here, let's say. That's simple. Surface doesn't even need to be cleaned, guys, to be honest. And then you take off. Oh, there was one already. So you get the one that's on it, and one more in the pouch. So we put that like, wait, I'm putting it upside down. And there you go. And I'll show you it working in just a second. But it's a nice long cable, guys. And you're going to see me on a webcam right now playing a game. And we're going to test this mic out in 1 second. And right now I'm going to be using the Razer Siren Mini. That's my desktop mic. I want to showcase the difference between the two. Let me quickly sort that in settings. The Nvidia Broadcast, if you check it out right here, I always use that. It's a good noise gate program. So right here I have a microphone, Razer Siren Mini, hooked up to it. That's what it sounds like. And now I'm going to switch it to the Antlion USB. That's it. Which you can unclip. Just place it like that. It rotates at any angle you want. Now, as you can hear, it's picking up my clapping. But what we're going to do is go back to Nvidia Broadcast. And I'm going to switch it to Antlion. Boom. We have to switch it in OBS as well. So we go there. We go to Nvidia Broadcast. Now it's picking up the Antlion mic, but look at that. You get no clapping whatsoever. And we'll do a bit of keyboard typing as well. Let me show you. Not picking anything up, just my voice. And this is the mic. Really cool, guys. And yep. So I showed you 3 cases. I showed you my Razer Siren Mini desktop mic. I showed you the Antlion without the Nvidia Broadcast, just raw microphone. And then you guys heard it with the Nvidia Broadcast. So let's do a bit of gaming. Let's go do a bit of snow plowing so we can actually hear it in game. So we got the wind running in the background. You got thunder crackling, lightning. It is a bit of a rainy day, drizzling. And here we're on someone's property, which we actually snowplowed earlier, like that. Pretty cool. But we already cleaned this area. Thing is, I want to go pick up my pickup truck. Again, big shout out to Antlion for providing this microphone. It is a wired microphone, but if you guys want to see the wireless mic, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments, and I'll showcase that one as well. Thank you, Antlion, for providing this beautiful microphone. It just gives us an option to be able to hook up our mic to any headphones or headset. So if your headphones don't have any microphone whatsoever, well, then you got it here. It's pretty cool. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, big shout out to Antlion. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, favorite, subscribe, guys. Hit that bell icon as well for more awesome content. And I'll see you all next time. Jimmy Dali signing out. Take care.